If you're stuck switching between apps, trying to stay productive, but still feeling like you're getting nowhere, this video will help end the debate for you. Because today it's Notion versus Todoist, two of the biggest names in productivity, but they're built for very different brains. And if you choose the wrong one, you're not just wasting time, you're actually designing your entire system against yourself. I've been running my YouTube channel, business, and personal life through digital systems over a couple of years. I've tried everything from bullet journals to Trello to apps you have never heard of. But Notion and Todoist, they have stood the test of time. So in this video, we're going to deep dive. No fluff, we'll break down which app is better for planning versus execution. Which one, where each one fails you. What nobody tells you about team collaboration and mobile usage. And at the end, I'll tell you what I personally use and why. So stick till the end. Notion, the core differences between both. Notion is a workspace and Todoist is a to-do list. As we have already guessed from the name of itself, Notion is like a digital brain. You can build systems, dashboards, databases, wikis. On the other hand, Todoist, it is laser focused on task management. If you want full customization, Notion gives you infinite Legos. If you want pure speed and simplicity, Todoist is the Ferrari. And the mistake, people try to use both the same way. But like this, you'll burn out. Let's talk about execution. Todoist is an unbeatable when it comes to fast inputs, daily planning, quick captures from mobile. I can literally swipe down on my phone and add tasks in 3 seconds. I'm showing this on PC, but phone version is also the same. Just click to add tasks. Just simply the name the title, anything for client. And just give a description if you want, like Notion. And click add tasks. As simple as that. You can add pretty much a lot of as much task as you want. And Notion, way slower. It loads like a website. Notion, way slower. It loads like a website. For quick reactive tasks, Notion will get in your way. So, if you're someone who relies on speed, GDD style, workflows, Todoist is your weapon. Point number 3. But here's where Todoist falls apart. When it comes to long-term planning, goal tracking, knowledge management, is just not for that. Notion, on the other hand, you can literally build a full weekly or monthly tracker in it, from content calendar, even even track your habits all in one place. Think of Todoist like your frontline commander. Notion is your war room. And you want both? You can, but only if you know how to link them smartly. Now let's talk about the team management. Todoist works for small teams doing simple task lists. As I have already shown, the simple task clicks, you can share your Todoist link to them and they also can just check the tasks. But once you need documentation, SOPs, project dashboards, Todoist collabs. Notion, on the other hand, is made for team-based knowledge. You can assign tasks, commands, embed files, and build systems your team actually wants to use. And the learning curve is steeper, to be honest, but once it clicks, it replaces half of your tools. So last but not least, on mobile, Todoist is one of the fastest, cleanest apps I have ever used. Notion is still improving, to be honest. Offline mode is better than before, but not perfect. If you're someone who travels, works offline, or lives on your phone, Todoist will win for sure. But if you're desk-based nerd and building systems, Notion is worth the trade-off. So here's what I personally do and what I recommend. I use Notion for planning, vision, and system building. And I use Todoist for fast daily tasks. As I have already as we have already saw, daily tasks and mobile captioning. If I had to choose just one, Notion, obviously, because it adapts to everything. But if you're just starting out and overwhelmed by Notion's blank canvas, start with Todoist. It's totally fine. So here's the truth. The best productive tools is the one you'll actually use consistently. Notion and Todoist are not enemies. They serve different purposes. Don't get caught in the tool trap. Choose based on how your brain works. And if this helped you, like this video, comment with what you see and subscribe because I'm building a full series on mastering Notion, setting up powerful workflows and combining tools the smart way. See you in the next one.